Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Eltaj Safarli and Eloi Relange. This is a game from French Team Championship played in 2018. Eltaj Safarli had white pieces and he started with e4. Eloi Relange played e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, the Spanish game, and now g6, the Fianchetto defense, c3, a6, bishop takes on c6, d takes on c6, white to move, to take the pawn on e5 or not, would you? Eltaj Safarli played d4. If knight takes on e5, then queen to g5 is not pleasant for white. Back to our game. d4 was played, but now bishop to g4, pinning the knight, defending the pawn on d4, bishop to g7, knight from b to d2. Black to move. f5 was played. This move makes the position complicated, but it looks more risky for black, because white king is closer to castling. Maybe. What do you think? Pawn takes pawn on f5, e takes on d4, c takes on d4, bishop takes on f5, and Eltaj Safarli castled king's side. Black to move. Queen to d5 was played, intending to castle queen's side. Can white stop that? Bishop to g5 was played. Black to move. King to d7 was played. If knight to f6, rook to e1 check. So we have king to d7, intending rook from a to e8 perhaps. This is now a very interesting position. Instead of playing some regular move, like rook to e1, white played for a little trap. Rook to c1, daring black to take on a2. Would you take on a2 if you had black pieces? Yes? No? Well, Eloi Relange accepted the challenge and captured the pawn on a2, threatening queen takes pawn on b2. Knight to c4, defending the pawn on b2 and getting in the close range to the black king. Very important. Knight to f6. Next move by black could be rook from a to e8 and then king to c8 and black king will be fine. White to move. Black king seems to be exposed at the moment, but how to take an advantage of this? What would you do? Please pause and find the killer move that white played in this position. Well, I can see you didn't pause. You just want me to show you the solution. Okay, let's do it together. If I say, what would Tal do in this position? Would this be useful to you? Yes? No? Okay. If I say, can you see that brilliant queen sacrifice? Is that useful? Okay. What if I say, can you see that ordinary move? Can you see it? White rook forgot his car keys, went home and found black queen in the wrong place. The queen got so embarrassed that black resigned. So the rook went home. Black resigned. The queen is trapped. If queen takes on c4, then knight to e5 check, and at a king to c8, knight takes on c4. That is why player with the black pieces resigned in this position. The king hunt switched to the queen hunt. This is hilarious, isn't it? What do you think of this sudden switch? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.